What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're playing Animal Rivals, actually. Game that I haven't played in forever. So, yeah. Let's get straight into it without wasting any time. I think my arms got longer. Let's go. Lobby. We're just gonna be doing 1v1s, all that good. First, that we are going to do is we're going to do a 2v2 actually. So I'm excited. Let's go and let's get into it.
Please.
Silverback.
Bro, say Wahahi, bro. Say
What is up with Say Wahahi or whatever it says? Oh well, we can't start the game. It's bombed. We're going up against Silverback 3 and Rampager Rager. I think my teammate's a Titan Z, and I am, I think, what am I?
You're a Silverback.
Silverback. I'm Silverback.
Apex.
Alright.
Match starting.
Well, I'm gonna lock in and I'm gonna win.
Round starting.
Man, I gotta play him forever. I'm gonna play this game forever, bro. My arm was like this one was really.
Round starting.
I'm back.
Oh, his teammate left.
Round starting.
I wasn't even moving, bro.
Round starting.
Wait. Whoa, what? My weapons weren't working. My weapons weren't working. My weapons literally weren't working. What the freak?
That's crazy, bro.
Also, by the way, he was like 1 HP.
Round starting.
Dead. Match 1, and we have won the round. So let's go into
Some kid just sent me
Royale.
a
Now we're going to go into Rivals Royale, which I find really enjoyable. And boom, we are in Rivals Royale. So, yeah. So, round's about to start. Boom. And I'm in a Dookie team. How nice. I have a Rampager Major. That's insane. Holy bad luck.
What do you mean, bro? What do you mean?
W? Yo! Well, that's that. I'm cooked. I'm dead. I don't want to play.
Okay, I want to see.
So yeah. See you guys in the next one. That's all I can do because my VR is low. Hope you enjoyed the like 6-minute long video. Bye. Subscribe.